Welcome everyone to Selenium training. We'll be looking at how to download and configure Selenium with Eclipse and Maven now. And then we'll see how to work with different browsers and make basic scripts in Selenium and all, and identification of elements. Okay, so let us start with configuration of Selenium first of all. If you look at the official website of Selenium, okay, which is this one, selenium.dev. This is the official website of Selenium, and in this website you go to the downloads section, and in the download section you will see that they have mentioned the latest Selenium version which is stable is Selenium 3.141.59, but you have the Selenium Alpha 4 version also coming up in the market. They have upgraded the version. There is no major difference as far as coding is concerned, except few changes have been done. There are major differences in terms of grid and all. So as a beginner, you can use Alpha 6 version as well. You can use Selenium 4, that is not a problem. Okay, to download Selenium 4, you can either use Maven or you can download it manually. We'll see both of them. To download it manually, you can scroll down, go to the Java section, and you will see Alpha download link over here. You click on this link and a zip file will start downloading on your PC. You unzip that file and you will see a folder like this, Selenium Java Alpha 4, and you open it, you will see lot of jar files coming up. Fine. And you will also see a lib folder. Inside it also many jar files are there. You have to import these jars inside Eclipse in your project to make the project Selenium enabled. Okay, so you need to make a new Java project. Alright, and I will call it Selenium configuration manual. Okay, so you are manually configuring it, and next one we'll see is Maven. Okay, so when you make a new project, you just have to right click on the project, go to the properties of the project. You will, after right clicking, you will see a lot of options. You have to go inside the properties option in the end and go to Java build path and import. Click on libraries tab, you will see add external jars. You can import all the jars. So when you click on this button, please make sure that you import the jars which you have downloaded. You have to import all of them, the ones which are outside the lib folder, also the ones which are inside the lib folder. Generally people don't import the jars which are inside the lib folder and they fall into a problem. Okay, so you add all the jars. Okay, when you expand the project, you will see that after expanding, after adding the jars, when you expand the project, you will see a reference libraries section under which you will be able to see all the jar files. Now your project is Selenium enabled. Selenium is not installed, it is configured inside Eclipse. Fine, you can start writing Selenium scripts. The other way to have the jars is through Maven. Okay, you can go to File, New, go to Other and select. If you scroll down, you will see Maven. You can select a new Maven project. Fine, click on Next. So you can create a simple project. Fine, and group ID, and you can give the project name Selenium config using Maven. Fine, you finish this off and you will see a Maven project being generated over here. Okay, only thing is that in pom.xml you will have to add the dependencies of Maven. If you go to the official website of Selenium, fine, and you search for Maven, if you scroll down you will have the Maven information over here. You can click on this link and they have the Maven for the last stable version. This is 141.59, and for the alpha version as well. Unfortunately for alpha they have given till alpha 5. I think alpha 6 will be there. Okay, so you just copy this and go to your Eclipse inside pom.xml. Fine, and in pom.xml, if you go down, right? If you go down and you can add the dependencies section over here, and in the dependencies section you can give the Selenium Alpha 6 dependency. The latest one is 6. Okay, you save this pom.xml and it will say building workspace at the bottom right side. So what it will do, it will automatically, whatever is the dependencies for Selenium, whatever are the jars, they will get automatically imported in your project. Alright, so this is the best part of Selenium. You just have to give the version, or best part of Maven, you just have to give the version over here and all the dependencies. They come up over here under Maven dependencies. You will see all the jars. Okay, right. So in somewhere in C drive, Maven automatically downloads the jars and puts up in your project. So this is how you can configure Selenium. You can start using a Maven project, or you can start using a project in which you have actually configured the jars yourself. It's your choice, right? Now the next thing is we have to see how to work with different browsers and all. Okay, on the free videos page, on the free videos page over here, we will see now how to work with different browsers and running the scripts on multiple browsers and all. And we'll see how to identify elements using normal locators, XPaths, and we'll also write a script which will print the names of all your Facebook friends. Okay, right.